Welcome guys, it's Brandon Josh or Brandon Josh. Make sure to follow my Instagram. I'm here in Cologne, Germany, and we are going thrift shopping. I'm gonna check out some secondhand shops here in the city and I'm gonna take you with me, so let's go. And we're outside, the weather is pretty shit, but anyways, I googled some secondhand spots. And the first place we're going to is called Free. I mean, nothing's free there, but yeah, you get the point. And yeah, if you're wondering why I got like this fabric hanging down, I made this hoodie. It's like in collaboration with a brand, which I am gonna link down below. Anyways, you can check out all my stuff on my Instagram. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave some comments. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated.
Young Zeno.
So we're at the first spot right now. Let's head in. So I'm sorry that you can't see any clothes, but unfortunately I just found out this stuff was only for women, so I'm gonna hit up another place which is one stop from here. The woman was also pretty cute. She told me, yeah, I can find some better stuff there, and yeah, I'm gonna hit up that spot as well, so I'll see you over there. So now I'm at the second spot. Hopefully this transition won't disappoint you all, so yeah, let's go. So first stop done. That was like a secondhand shop I went past already. They had a cool Nike tracksuit for 22 euros, so that's a pretty good come up. But other than that, it was, yeah, pretty much okay. So now I'm gonna go and head out to the second spot, or third one if you count the first one. And yeah, I'll see you there. Well, I'm not having a lot of good luck today, so let's head on to the next one, I guess. Yeah. So the next place is called Vintage and Rags. Let's hope it doesn't disappoint me this time, so yeah, let's see. So, just went to Vintage and Rags here. Got some bandanas. Gonna make some pants out of them. And yeah, I'm gonna go to Oxfam now. And yeah, Vintage and Rags is a pretty cool shop. They have a lot of selection. There are a lot of stuff. Somewhat hyped stuff, I guess, like vintage hyped stuff like basketball jerseys, football jerseys. I anyway showed you the footage inside, but yeah, let's head off to Oxfam. Thank God, Oxfam is just around the corner. It's right here. I'm gonna head in. Hopefully I can show you some stuff and yeah, see what they can offer. So yeah, Oxfam was a bit of a dud because they only have like general pieces. You can't really use them. Well, they have just normal pieces without any prints. I think those are just like donated things. So yeah, now I'm gonna head on to the last stop It's the shop called Todd. It's curated vintage stuff. But yeah, I hope they also have some good stuff, and let's see how that turns out over there. I'm gonna see you over there. And afterwards, I don't know what I'm gonna do afterwards, but yeah, I've gotta get something to eat as well, so see you. Yeah guys, just went to Todd's. It was pretty cool. I just bought 2 pins, which I'm gonna show it to you now. They have pretty cool stuff like vintage, like Lacoste, like Hugo Boss, stuff like that. And yeah, now I'm gonna hit up a shop called I think Twice. The sales assistant recommended it to me, and I hope I can find something there as well. And they even have like a sale going on at the moment. So yeah, see you. Guys, this was a jackpot. So I'm so happy that I went to Todd's, because otherwise I wouldn't have found out about this place. I got like 2 pairs of trousers and like 5 sweatshirts for like €3. So yeah, I got everything for €3. I can show it to you when I get home as well. And yeah, it was a major come up. So yeah, I'm gonna see you at home, I guess, or maybe there'll be something else in between. But yeah, it was a major come up. I'm so glad that I came here. So yeah, I'm gonna see you later. So yeah, I just went to Standard. It's right over there. It's like, wait, bruh. Right there. I just went and checked it out. It's a cool streetwear store by a German football player, not soccer, because we're in Europe. And his name is Lucas Podolski. It's a pretty cool shop. They have a lot of like Japanese streetwear, which is pretty cool to see in Germany especially. But yeah, now I'm just gonna head to Kumano. I'm just gonna check it out. I don't really like Kumano that much, but let's see if I can find anything. So yeah. Bruh.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, and by the way guys, just met up with Fatma. We had a shooting with her son Jamal. Say what's up. It was pretty cool. I'm gonna show you the pictures right here. And yeah, it was cool. How did you find it? How was it?
It was fun. Jamal had the most fun.
Yeah, he was like dancing around, he was jumping. He's so energetic.
And now he wants his piece, okay?
Yeah. Alright then, I'll see you at home.
Bye.
See you. And off they go. They're in the train right now. I'm heading home as well. It was pretty cool. I'm gonna link them here somewhere, and yeah, see you at home. So guys, the day started off pretty whack, but it was pretty cool. Then afterwards, went to a few shops, met a lot of cool people, and yeah, I'm gonna show you the things I found now. They're so cool. I like love all these like woven pieces, and like I got like all these pieces for just €3. It's crazy, but yeah. Yo, what's up? I'm back again, back home. The reason why I'm making this video is firstly because I wanted to show off all the vintage spots in Cologne, but secondly just to do more, as said on my tattoo again. But anyways, I just wanted to say that it's important to just go out and try and actually do more and be spontaneous, you know, because as you saw in the footage before, I wasn't sad, but I was like disappointed in the shops in Cologne because they were partially too expensive or didn't have a lot of selection. But then I went to one spot, the place called Todd's, and I met a girl there who works there, of course. And she told me about like all the other different vintage spots that haven't checked out yet. I was shocked that I didn't know about so many places, and we like talked for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, and it was so cool to just go out and talk to a stranger and to get to know people, you know. And if I hadn't talked to her, I wouldn't have found out about all the other cool things I bought. For example, this cool like Nautica style knit sweater, or this like coffee type sweater, and I got like 8 pieces, as I said before, for €3. So I was so surprised that I actually found something for that cheap, and I was pretty happy about that. And afterwards, of course I met with my friend Fatma. But the moral of the story is just go out, just get out of your comfort zone, because I know it's easier said than done, but if you walk a path, you'll see more of it. And it's really important to challenge yourself sometimes, and it's also important to try out new things. Throw yourself into the cold water sometimes, you know? And that's what I learned throughout that day in Cologne, because the other days I was doing other things. But thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. I hope I could help you in some way to like get out of your comfort zone, to like try out new things, to like know that if you try something different, like good things will come to you as well. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe as well, and turn on the bell notifications. I would appreciate that a lot. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I make videos there as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Peace.